In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email on CoinGecko. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to CoinGecko.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before you begin. If you aren't already logged in, CoinGecko may prompt you to do so as you proceed, which is perfectly normal and helps keep your account secure. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It typically appears as a small user silhouette or your avatar. Click that icon to open your account menu. From the menu, choose Login and Security. This is where CoinGecko groups all security-related settings, making it the right place to manage credentials tied to your account. On the Login and Security page, find the option labeled Change Email and click it. This will bring up the form you'll use to update the email associated with your account. Now, type your new email address into the email field. Take a moment to carefully double-check spelling, punctuation, and domain, because a small typo can prevent you from receiving important notifications. It's best to use an email you check regularly and have full access to, since CoinGecko may send alerts or confirmations related to your account. Next, you'll be asked to verify your password. This step confirms it's really you making the change. Enter your current account password exactly as you set it. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, so watch for capital letters and any special characters. If your browser autofills a password, confirm it's the correct one for this account before submitting. When everything looks correct, click the Change Email button. This submits your request with the new address you provided and the password verification you just completed. If anything is missing or mistyped, you'll typically see an error message explaining what needs to be fixed. You'll then see a prompt asking you to confirm the change. Click Confirm to finalize it. This is your last checkpoint to ensure the new email is accurate, so give it one final glance before you proceed. That's it, your CoinGecko email is now updated. If you use a password manager, consider updating the stored login details to match your new email and keep your recovery information current so you're never locked out. Thanks for watching, and if this walkthrough helped, feel free to replay any section as needed while you make the change on your own account.